Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover how to access your account billing information. Go to formtitan.com, click Login, click on the My Account tab, and then click on the Billing subtab. Within this tab, you will see information about your license type. In this case, I have a free trial. If you want to upgrade, click the Upgrade button, and then walk through the steps. You will also see how many digital signatures you have allocated to your account and how many have been used. Digital signatures are a means of authenticating the signature of a document. A PDF digital signature is like an electronic seal of approval for a document. It ensures that the document hasn't been tampered with and comes from a trusted source. In this case, I have 0 because this is a trial account. To buy more digital signatures, click the Buy More button and walk through the steps. You will also see how many pre-purchased professional services hours you have at your disposal. Professional services are prepaid hours of services from a Titan professional that you may wish to use for matters related to support on a project that is not covered by your standard Titan customer service agreement. Titan professional services hours are meant to assist you while designing and implementing your projects. On the Professional Services tab, you can book a session with a Titan professional. Here I have 29.5 hours used out of 50, so I have some time left. I can book either a 30-minute or a 60-minute session with a Titan professional. Simply click on either link, click Schedule, and you will be taken to a Calendly application to select a date and time for your 30-minute Titan Professional Services session. The monthly usage table indicates your monthly usage of API calls and DocGen usage. If you need more information than what this table provides, you can get that in the logs. Go to Settings, Logs, view your monthly usage data here as well. If you are a Titan Enterprise customer, you will have access to the Live Trace feature, which provides even more information on monthly usage than what you can get in this table. Again, for Enterprise customers only, click on the Live Trace option and enable Live Trace. This will generate a more detailed log over a short period of time. To export this data, click on the folder icon, authenticate your Google Drive account, give a prefix for the file, and enter the name of your export directory. Click Export. You will get a message that your data is being exported. And in just a few minutes, that log will be available in a Google Sheet in your Google Drive. I look at my Google Drive and I can see that that log has been exported. And that is how it's done.